This is the electronic ECM, the engine computer on a 1991 Dodge Ram van B250. This is the box. It is coated in potted resin. You can just separate it from the bottom, and the top then screws on like so onto this cap. The key point is the three condensers or capacitors are electrolytic, and they were where you see these capacitors. These are the original capacitors. The values were 220 and 470, two orange ones at 220 and one green one at 470, all 25 volts. This was an orange one. This was the 470 green one. This was the other 220. You have to cut away the potting material, which is like a soft urethane, thank goodness. You can see the underside. There are soldering tabs on both sides of the board. Hopefully this is going to work. One of the traces may have disconnected from one of the soldering tabs. But for anybody who's having trouble with a 1991 Dodge B250 van with the 318 engine, 5.2 liter, that's what those capacitor values are that everybody says fail and what cause these boards to fail. So it goes in the box like this. It is not screwed down to the bottom. You just cut around the outside of the potting material, and then it kind of falls out from there. And that's all. This part number is, you can barely see through there. It says 916. So that's the California emissions version. Hope this helps somebody else.